Hello and welcome to this channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Gentle Monster Jackpie and going to have a comparison video as well with the Rieti Doris. It's a cheaper brand, affordable, but still it comes from Korea. And if that's something that will interest you, please keep on watching. So this is a comparison of both of the sunglasses. That's the Gentle Monster and this is the Rieti one. First, we're gonna take a look at the Rieti. So that's what it looks like. It's just a bit smaller than the Gentle Monster one. By the way, this is the Gentle Monster Jackpie 01. It's still pretty similar to her. So there. If you can see, the difference is the bridge of the nose. The Rieti one is gold. And so this is the Gentle Monster. Here. Yeah, this is the Gentle Monster. This is how it looks like when you wear it. There's like 3 dots here. Okay. And then this is the Rieti one. It comes in this pack. It's just a bit smaller than the Gentle Monster one. And the difference is there's just two something here. And then there's something here. And then the bridge thing is just gold. Yeah, but the Gentle Monster is just pure black. So let's do it side by side. So this one's really bigger. So if you want to save, get this one. It's the same, it's still a Korean brand, and
It's the one that So Ye Ji wore on It's Okay Not to Be Okay. So I'm just gonna insert the picture there. And then I'm gonna do a side by side for this one. That's it. Actually, it's just a very short video. It's just a comparison. And if you've enjoyed this and you find it very informative, please like this video and subscribe if you want.
Ayo!
Bye!